and what are you doing to work upon?
Hmm. Hmm.
With this new mindset, with this free mindset, with this happy mindset, with this cheerful outlook of life,
Yeah.
what is it that you're doing so that you do not fall back upon? I'm not uh, being a mischief monger here, saying that वैसा कुछ है
Yeah.
नहीं. But knowing life, life likes to trick us into believing that you've sorted it and then comes and throws a bomb that you're absolutely.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So, what is it in terms of practice? How do you regulate that this emotional intellectual mix stays sane and does not?
Hmm.
Is there anything you
I
do?
think my battle with expectations is to I mean, like everyone, we all have expectations, but my expectations are daily based. So what I'm trying to fight right now is I expect a lot of things in a day. Like I want to do that. I'm gonna meet her. I'm gonna do that. I'm going out with them for a drink. I want to finish this work as well. I'm going to do that as well. So just not have to do so many things in a day and not pressurize myself uh, by just having these unnecessary expectations for me and others as well. Because when I'm telling them that I'm going to meet them or I'm going to do that, uh, I mean, it's a word, right? I've told them. So to not pressurize me or them as well, I want to not create these expectations which are unnecessary or which becomes a burden to me. And
So how do you do that?
yeah,
How do you not
so
raise expectations?
that's the fight that I'm fighting right now, by just being honest, by just being honest to them as well, by being honest to myself as well कि मैं इतना ही कर सकता हूँ, accepting कि भाई नहीं, दिन में इतनी सारी चीजें नहीं हो सकती, तो तुझे इतनी खुशी नहीं मिलने वाली एक दिन में.
Mhm.
So शांत हो जा. So
Is
yeah,
it
you can't
yourself
get
or to
everything in
others?
a day.
To yourself or to
Sorry,
others?
this
This
is to myself. This is to myself. Okay, you don't expect too many things out of the day, and when there are bad days, I just tell myself that it's okay, it's just not your day. Just कल होगा या फिर परसों होगा. Just it's not your day. Just be silent today. शांत हो जा आज. So that's the thing that I tell myself these days. And there is this one thing. There are so many things I want to say and do and create. I'm just trying to find some of the other way. How do I find a medium to do that? So these are the two things that I'm fighting with right now.
okay. I have so many questions, but I will ask only one simple question. Why is the
Yeah.
word fight being used here?
Yeah, I use that a lot actually. So the thing is, as I said, like that bully in me has always been there. Like as a child, I was a bully to others.
Okay.
Then there was a transformation that happened is when I moved to Mumbai from Surat. I became a bully to myself. Okay, this is what you have to do. This is what you are going to do. This is how you should be. This is what you should wear. This is how you're going to present. So it has been a fight for me in my head how to just yeah, it's sort of a fight that I have been fighting in my head about being that thing, that being that person that I want to be, but in a more clarified way that I just spoke about.
Do I dig deeper? Are you okay to speak in public or
Yeah,
what?
yeah, I am
Okay. So
absolutely
now
honest. Yeah.
the what is it that will make you peaceful and happy? Where will this fight go? What is it that will happen and then you know that there is no fight anymore? What is that one thing that you are very sure ये हो गया तो हो जाएगा? मतलब I am asking from a very deep point of view. Uh,
Hmm.
okay, this is what I want. What kind of acceptance is this?
Hmm. Like I said, I mean, a little example is that I'll go back to singing while I'm making my coffee. So I want to be that sort of a. I am that. I know that. whenever I turn off whenever I'm inside my room, I can dance. I'm the best dancer ever. But I just want to be that. So I want to put out the dance to everyone. You know what I'm saying? It's just an example. But so there's a lot of things that goes in my mind, and that I want to say and maybe write, or I don't know. So yeah, to just able to express that, to just able to do that sort of those things will not make it a fight then.
Okay, so my question is it there are two manifestations that came out to me. You're
Hmm.
calling it expression, but you're calling it also acknowledgement of I'm the best dancer in the room, but others also need to know that.
No, what
So,
I'm trying to say is I want to just be happy and dance around the way I want to. Why I'm stopping myself is what the fight is.
so okay, suppose you do dance around. Let us just look at that from a different point of view. What would happen according to you?
I will eventually feel good. I mean, I'll eventually just be doing my happy dance, maybe
Yeah, so but where is the
just
problem?
being
Why
out
is
there.
the happy dance not happening? What is stopping it from happening?
It's this fight it's this fight of just being out there, being yeah, am I doing it right, or am I just
So fear of being judged.
yeah, the insecurities and stuff like that.
So I thought you said those 100 chintans are quite peaceful with each other. So these three, four are being discriminated
No,
against.
I also said this is all a work in progress.
No, I'm not.
So
Not even putting you
yeah.
down. I'm
No,
just
no.
giving you a perspective, your wisdom back to you.
Yeah.
Actually, that if those 100 who were screaming for attention was this only, no? We do not
uh,
we do not demarcate
like
properly, but actually this is exactly what they ask for. One of them will say, but you are not being acknowledged. The second one would say, you can be more successful. Three is go solo. Fourth is work with partners. Fifth is by now you should have been here. Whatever, those kind of things only.
yeah.
So these three, four are.
So that's what I'm saying. No, that's what I'm saying. I'm saying it led me to, happily just make my coffee and sing the songs that I want to sing. So might as well someday it will happen that, I might just go out and dance as well. So, so it's a process that's happening. It's an action.
Okay. It is not so you are happy that it is you are on the journey of making it happen, and that is what
Hmm,
eases your mind. That it's not that you're
exactly.
just worrying. So the black space, if one were to define it, was absolutely inaction. Now there is action on
Hmm,
the dream. So at some point the
hmm,
dream will get fulfilled. You don't need to think too
yeah,
much.
exactly. But it's still a fight for me.
I am, yeah. The word fight is a bit of a concern
Yeah.
because that effectively to me reeks of unhappiness, and the manifestation you're talking is happiness. So I can't
Yeah.
figure out where fight is where the fight is actually happening. Um,
Hmm.
yeah, I guess that requires a different kind of talk. Okay.
Yeah, I think, like I said in the beginning, I don't see it as just being happy. Just there are a lot of layers which I want to just open up to myself as well. And by the time, I don't know when, but I might have explored a lot of things about myself in some time, hopefully. So yeah.
So the second thing that you mentioned was more about the creative aspect of it, where you said that
Yeah.
there are a lot of ideas
Hmm.
that you have that you want to express.
Hmm.
So my question to you is a little more grounded in that sense. Do you
Yeah.
have discipline? Are you doing something about it, or are these ideas just in the head and you're not finding time? Is that where the frustration is coming from?
Uh, See, there's a commercial work that we do, and there's this another thing that I just told you about saying the stories that I want to say, maybe write something, maybe do something about that. So yeah, it is about having the discipline, which is not there. It is yeah, it's not there. It's that discipline that has to be achieved first and then get to that. So yeah, it's
So is that one of the answers to your the fight can get resolved on that front,
it
perhaps?
is it is it is.
Are you aware of that? And if you're aware of that, are you doing something about it?
I'm trying to be disciplined with things. I think far more disciplined towards my work, commercial work that we do, than I was maybe 4 years back. So maybe in coming time I will be for sure tell the things that I wanna, or work on, at least start working on the things that I wanna work on.
Okay. The reason why while these are personal things that we are talking about,
Hmm.
I want to now bring a bit of summation to the talk that we had. Uh,
Yeah,
Values that came up to me. We started with the burden of intellect. We kind of decoded what it means in today's times where our intellect
yeah,
starts working against us and creating problems. I think some of the things that came up for me in your journey have been the sense of humility, a sense of a term that I've heard recently, but it seems nice, and it seems that that is the one that works. What I would call deep listening.
hmm.
At least you're deep listening about people telling you something about yourself because you worked
Yeah,
on it. So I would want to think it is not just deep listening for the sake of it. You actually picked it
yeah,
up, made it your own process. So
yeah,
seized the initiative and said that I will make the change that is required.
yeah,
These are things that we don't speak about even to ourselves. We just get on to it. So you used responsibility. The ability to
hmm.
respond is what it really means. So you responded to your dark space with your work.
Yeah,
From there, you have actually started using this new space to create better, to be more self-accepting, and in turn of in the sense of being self-accepting, you also realize that you are accepting a lot of others. These are things that come out to me during this brief chat that we had.
yeah,
Here on, I see a lot of light thanks to your attitude. That effectively, most people do not understand that. We think, oh,
hmm.
it's quite easy. It's just, but it's not really the important thing. But I find as I grow that that is the make or break of anything. That all
Yeah,
other qualities you mentioned, if you realize we at one point in the chat we realized that both the chintans are same if seen from outside, which is where you
yeah,
have to show no, but this is the change, the sense of self acceptance, and um, so there is light. And on that happy note, I would want to end. And
yes,
whoever sees this, they get light in their lives as well.
absolutely.
To everyone, and if you want, you can wish them so we can end the episode here.
Yes. Uh,
Yeah, you
yes,
want.
happy Diwali, right? What do I wish for? Yeah, it's gonna be happy Diwali, right?
Yeah.
So yeah,
Okay. Bye.
and thank you for having me for sure, and
Oh yes, we
thank
will
you.
chat further off camera.
Yes, we will. A lot to be done.
Yes. Bye.